Hi, I'm Chef Miriam, and today I'm going to be making a chocolate mint holiday jar. Well, chocolate mint is like a classic. I remember my grandma having after 8, those little squares that have the mint on the inside. Just a classic flavor that reminds you of your childhood. Some instant coffee, which also really helps bring out the chocolate flavor. As soon as the wet ingredients get in, they kind of start reactions as soon as they touch. I think my mom is definitely really into measuring things and making sure everything is perfect, sticking to the gram measurements. And my grandma was more by feeling. I think I ended up somewhere in between. Chocolate cake is nice and moist. This is the mint buttercream. It's a classic American buttercream. Adding some chocolate cookie crumble. Mint on top as well. Okay, ta-da! Chocolate mint holiday cake jar.